Hello, Franco Blanco's hairdressers. How can I help you?
Hi there. I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow morning. And I was wondering if you had any openings for then.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but we're fully booked all day tomorrow. Our next available appointment isn't until this Friday at 3 p.m.
Oh, darn. I suppose I can reschedule my interview. What time are you available next week?
Let me see. We have openings next Tuesday morning at 11 a.m. How does that sound for you?
I'm going to need my roots done and a trim. Will that take long?
That'll take about 2 hours.
That's perfect.
Could I get your name?
It's Julie Smithers.
Okay, Julie, I've set you in for next Tuesday at 11 a.m.
Terrific.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment with us today?
Yes, I'm scheduled for 11 a.m.
And your name is?
Julie Smithers.
Good morning, Julie. If you'd like to take a seat right over here, your stylist Franco will be with you soon.
Thank you.
Good morning, Julie. How are you? It's been too long since you last visited. So lovely to see you again.
You too, Franco. It's been too long. I haven't been well, though. Do you see this mess I'm dealing with? Look at my split ends and dark roots. It's horrible, isn't it?
I'll take care of it for you, Julie. You sit right here and don't worry about a thing.
You're a godsend, Franco. How are things with you?
Still the same workaholic? So, how would you like your hairstyle today? The usual?
I think it's time to change things up. I'm thinking a trim at the back and a fringe at the front.
Oh, I love it. What color are we going with then?
I'd love to do something lighter than what I have now at the tips.
Definitely. That's totally in right now. Then sit back, relax, and let Franco Blanco work his magic. Okay, looks like we're all done. Take a look and let me know what you think.
Oh my! You're a miracle worker, Franco. It looks amazing.
Good morning. Welcome to Franco Blanco. Do you have an appointment with us today?
I'm sorry, I don't, but I'd really like to get my hair styled immediately. Do you have any openings now?
Let me check.
Please, it's an emergency.
Okay. You're in luck. We do have an opening right now, but it's a 45-minute slot. We won't be able to do much more than a cut. Is that okay with you?
Yes, perfect. Thank you, that's fine.
I'll take you right over here.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. I'm Franco, by the way. May I ask your name?
Hi, Franco. I'm Stacy.
So, what's the emergency?
Take a look for yourself.
Oh boy, yes, it doesn't look good at all. It looks like you got in a fight with a lawnmower. What the heck happened?
Well, I'm about to start my new job this week, and I wanted to get my hair done. So I visited a local hairstylist yesterday for a trim with a few layers on top. But as you can see, it looks like I have both a bob and a mullet. I couldn't sleep all night because it looks so horrible.
Oh, yes. They did an awful, awful job. Amateurs. It looks like there's a lot of uneven layers, both on top and on the side. Plus, the top isn't blending well with the sides at all.
It's a disaster. Please tell me you can do something about it, Franco.
Look, you don't have to worry now, Stacy. I'll work my magic on you, and you'll have a cut that is both modern and edgy. I'll have to thin out the top and make it more fuller on the sides. Just relax, and I'll get to work. And voila! What do you think of your new look?
Oh my gosh, you did it! Thank you so much. It looks amazing. This suits me so well. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna recommend you to all my friends and family, Franco. I'm never going to another hairstylist again.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!